U.S. President Donald Trump has made a significant move by doubling tariffs on steel and aluminium imports from 25% to 50%. This decision has sparked both support and criticism from various stakeholders. Trump's goal with these increased tariffs is to protect the American steel industry and its future. However, critics argue that these measures could have negative repercussions on steel producers outside the U.S. and may lead to retaliatory actions from trade partners. Additionally, American users of steel and aluminium are concerned about the potential impact on their businesses. The UK was granted an exemption from the increased tariffs, with its steel and aluminium imports remaining at a 25% duty. This exception reflects the ongoing trade discussions between the UK and the US, highlighting the complexities of international trade negotiations. Businesses directly affected by the tariff hike were taken by surprise, with many hoping it was a temporary measure or a negotiating tactic. The uncertainty surrounding the situation has led to chaos in some sectors, with companies reevaluating their investments and pricing strategies. The U.S. is a major importer of steel, primarily sourcing the metal from countries like Canada, Brazil, Mexico, and South Korea. Trump's initial tariffs earlier in his term aimed to protect industries crucial to national security. However, exemptions and trade deals diluted the impact of those tariffs, a situation Trump sought to rectify by eliminating carve-outs in March. The latest tariff increase has been met with criticism from steel and aluminium manufacturers in Canada who fear significant damage to their industry. In the UK and Europe, efforts are being made to mitigate the impact of these tariffs through ongoing trade negotiations and discussions with the US. Economists warn that the new tariffs could have negative consequences for the US economy, leading to price increases and potential job losses in sectors beyond steel production. The cost of production in the US is expected to rise due to these tariffs, further complicating the economic landscape. Business owners, like Chad Bartusek from Illinois, are feeling the immediate impact of the tariff hike, with increased costs affecting their operations and customer demand. The uncertainty created by these trade policies has forced businesses to adapt quickly to the changing market conditions. In conclusion, Trump's decision to double steel and aluminium tariffs has significant implications for global trade, with the potential for both positive and negative outcomes for various stakeholders. The complexity of international trade dynamics underscores the importance of careful negotiation and diplomacy in addressing trade disputes.